This is the light that we're going to be installing today, and so this is just straight out of the package. This is what the light looked like, and then the only other thing it came with was a pack of connectors and a couple screws. So when you're installing these, typically they'll already come set up like this, and what you'll have to do is it's got this one here has 4 screws on it. And you gotta undo those, and then this back panel will come off in some fashion. And they're all gonna be a little bit different design-wise. So this is the part you're gonna bolt or screw into your octagon box. It's gonna be on your wall. And so you're gonna make sure that this surface here is flush with the wall. You've got your ground wire that will go on here, and then when you look at this bunch of wires here, there will be a couple that are loose. So here's a black one, so that will go to your black and your black and your power wire, and then this will go to your white, which is your neutral wire. So this will go to your green ground. This will get bolted to your octagon box, which will be grounded. And then you got your white to your neutral and black to your black, which is your power. All right, now I apologize for the lighting in here. I've got the lights off, obviously, in the bathroom as we get ready to install that fixture in here. So I've got the light off, or the power off at the switch. I don't have it off at the breaker. Just make sure that no one comes in and accidentally turns the lights on for you. This is just the temporary light that I had while I was hooking things up in the bathroom. So with these ones, it's just 2 screws here that you undo or loosen, and then you can twist this base, and then everything comes out. Our power coming in and the neutral coming in, and then we've got power going out and the neutral going out, and that's going to another light that's over top of the tub. So we've got 2 jumper wires, one here and one here, and that's what will attach to our new light. So we need to disconnect those from the light here, and then we can connect our panel, and then we can connect our light. So here we've got the back panel installed for the new Vanity light. We've got our neutral jumper and our power jumper coming up, as well as a ground wire that is attached to the back of the electrical box, and we're going to connect that to the ground here, and then we're also going to connect the ground wire from the light to that as well. And then this will go to the white, or the neutral on the LED light, and then this will go to the black and the power wire on the LED light. There you go, there's the LED light installed. We've got it all leveled and ready to go. And with any luck, we got light.